Hey guys, welcome back to Java tutorial series. In today's lecture, we will be studying about a next type of primitive data type conversion, which is conversion of a string into float. It is basically the conversion of the data which was initialized or accepted from the user, which was float but is stored in the string data type and needs to be converted into float. For doing this purpose, we use two statements, float.parse float and float.value of. You have studied the statements in the input statements of scanner class, and it has that application also, which I have told you in earlier lectures. In the other conversions, it is exactly similar to the conversions in long and integer. The only difference is of these statements. So we will write a program in which we will initialize two float in the format of string, then try to convert both of them using the two statements which we use, and then try to add them and give our output. So let's write that program. I have written the basic header files, declared the scanner class and empty system.out.println statement. Now we will write the main program. So let's start with string a is equal to, in double quotes, 3.14 in double quote semicolon. Now we will initialize another string b is equal to 9.13 double quote semicolon. Now we will try to convert them into float. For that we will use statement float c is equal to float.parse float. In braces we will write the first one, which is a in this case, and a semicolon at the end. Now we will try to convert another string into the float data type using the statement float d is equal to float dot value of, and in the braces we will write b and at the end a semicolon. Now we will add both these and store it in another variable float e is equal to c plus d semicolon at the end. Now we will give our output as e. Let's compile this. As you can see, it is no syntax error. Now we will try to run this. Void main string args, and as you can see, we have received our output, and the output is 12.7274. As you all know, if both of these were strings, they wouldn't have added, and if we would have written both as a plus b, then we would have received our output as 3.149.314 or whatever the numbers were. That's why we use this conversion types of statements. That's it for today. The next lecture will be on the conversions based on doubles. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any sorts of doubt, you can ask me in comment section below. Thank you.